it's time for yet another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came by way of James of Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. He keeps sending me stuff I haven't tried, which is rad. This is Lucky Me Beef Mami artificial beef flavor Oriental instant noodle soup, right? Yeah, Oriental noodle soup. Instant Oriental noodle soup. Ions, I-O-N-S, instant Oriental noodle soup. And it's from the Philippines. And yeah, and you just add everything in, cover, let it do its thing for 3 minutes, and there you go. I'm gonna add everything in. Boom. I wonder if they have varieties in the Philippines that have actual beef in it. Beef's pretty popular over there. So is pork. I want to try the delicacy lechon. That's when they take a pig and stuff it with chickens and spring onions and baste it in like a sweet soy. And then turn it over a spit for hours, and like everybody eats it. That sounds fascinating. I would love to actually go do that. I'd spin it for you. Spin it around. A little seasoned oil here. Yeah, I've never really had like authentic Filipino food other than instant, but I know that's just not the same. All right, 3 minutes. There we go. Submerged. So today is the last game of the regular season of baseball, and the Giants are at home playing the worst team in all of baseball, the Los Angeles Dodgers. They're horrible people. They should just, not a fan of the Dodgers. And they've got, I mean, we're not going to the postseason. It sucks, but they've got 99 wins. So hopefully we will beat them. We beat them yesterday. Hopefully we beat them today. They're going to go to the postseason, but we want to deny them that 100-win season. So hopefully we will. They will. So instead of getting 100 wins, they will lose like losers. It's funny. I used to be a Mariners fan, and then I met my wife, and she's from the Bay Area, and I guess everybody in her family was an A's fan, and then she was the standout, which I still agree, she's the standout, and she's a Giants fan. So I was like, okay, I'll be a Giants fan. And then we won the World Series 2010, 12, and 14. So, yeah. Perfect timing to ditch the Mariners, the local team. I don't know. I don't know if it was the Mariners. Oh, it was the Dodgers. Their pitcher did crappy, and I think they were like booing their pitcher. It's like, I don't know. They just fired the manager or the coach for the Giants. So everybody wants Buster Posey to be the new guy. That would be rad. I'd be down with that. So yeah. But hopefully we can deny them the 99 wins, and they just they lose the division series right quick, and the Dodgers can go home, throwing their bats on the ground and acting all snarky and ticked off. Yeah. They're kind of like, it's like the Karate Kid, man. They're like part of the dojo that's like all cranky and rude. I swear to God, I don't know why, but they should be pretty stoked. That's like, they've got like serious like brand recognition and all this stuff. They just get all ticked off. Bunch of babies. Lost again, LA. Oh, they had a good season. We did not. But Dodgers still suck. Anyways, here's our noodle. Here's our broth. So that's not bad. It's better than the last one. Same kind of geographic region, Vietnam versus Philippines. But the last one was just so bland, and this one's got a lot more savoriness to it. So I like this one better. I like to taste my food. Anyways, let's dump it in there. There's that. Gotta keep rolling on them eggs. Egg. Uh-oh. A little bit of beef. Some onion of the starred mung bean sprout. Spring onion. Crushed red pepper. And a wee bit OC. That is all she wrote on that one. 2 down. And yeah. Alright, well, thanks again for watching. The next one. Here we are. The next one we're going to have is something special. This came as part of the 52nd anniversary of Cup Noodles by Nissan, Singapore. This is their K-Army Stew Cup Noodle. Sounds good. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, and check out the memberships and do all that good stuff. And I will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.